आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
The question here is that what is the role of cervix in the human female reproductive system, right? So let's see the answer now. So for this, we'll see a diagram here, right, of the human uterus. So this is the diagram, right? Now here I will draw a rough diagram to complete this. So human uterus, female uterus is somewhat like this. So if we make the shape here, right, so at the end we have the ovaries here, and these are the fallopian tubes, right? These are two fallopian tubes here like this, and then this is some fundus present, then this is the body, then here is the endometrium lining, right? Then there is the isthmus part, this is the isthmus part, and this is the cervix, right? So I will label here, this is the cervix, this is the ovary. Here we have two ovaries, right? These are the fallopian tubes, right? These are the fallopian tubes, and this is the fundus part. This is the body of the uterus. These are the endometrium linings here, right? This is the isthmus part is this, and at the end we have a cervix, right? Now what happen is, we will discuss this. We know that the ovaries, they produce, what they produce is, from here our ovum is produced, right? So ovary are the producers of the ovum, and through the fallopian tubes, what happen is, it moves to the uterus here, it will reach here. So during copulation, what will happen, so this through here the copulation will occur. I will mark it, right? So from here the copulation will occur. If the sperm enters, so fertilization will takes place here, right? Fertilization will takes place here, and this blastocyst will get settled here in this endometrium layer, right? Now this is about the human female reproductive system, right? So here if we see that, I'll mark here in the diagram. So fertilization, the ovum is produced in the day 1 here, then day 2 from the fallopian tubes it is moving, then blastocyst is taking place, right? And then implantation takes place in the uterus body, right? This is how it goes. Now we have to tell the role of the cervix here, right? So cervix is the end part here, and it is also known as the birth canal. Now what is this birth canal? Birth canal means that during the implantation, after the implantation, what happens is, there is embryonic development and the individual is grown here, fully grown here, and after the fully grown, it has to be moved out of the female body. So cervix is a birth canal, which is known as the parturition, right? So parturition is basically the expelling of the young individual. Parturition is the delivery of the baby here, right? Now this parturition is basically after the gestation period. So gestation period is about around, if we talk about the time period, so it takes place around 9 months in an human, right? So when gestation period is basically the period of embryonic development, where this blastocyst will grow here in this part, and when it is fully formed, so the parturition will takes place, and that is done through the cervix. So this is the role of the cervix here.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।